So what is quad coaching? Quad coaching is a 3-hour mini workshop where we teach managers a simple yet radical approach to developing their team that almost instantly changes and addresses the two biggest barriers to coaching, time and motivation. Here's the simple promise of the program. If you give us your managers for 3 hours, we're going to give them back almost 2 months a year. Here's how. Most managers are wasting almost 2 months a year coaching the wrong reps. So how do we change this? It starts by teaching them a simple way to put their team members into 4 quadrants by measuring results and desire. Now, results is pretty obvious. There's reps on the team that are above the line, they're hitting their number. Then there's reps on the team that are below the line, and they're hitting their number. But there's another axis that leaders need to focus on, which is desire. They need to learn a simple approach to measuring desire so they can see that there's reps on their team that want to change and they want to adopt their coaching input, or there are reps on the team that don't want to change. And once managers learn to measure results and desire, their reps fall into 4 simple categories: achievers, strivers, independents, and detractors. And once they learn to categorize their team into those 4 buckets, there's 3 simple payoffs of the program. Number 1, desire determines development. This is where they see that they're wasting time coaching independents and detractors, and they need to shift that time to working with achievers and strivers. You can't coach independents and detractors if they don't want to change. Desire determines development. You don't ignore the independents and detractors, but you don't coach them. Secondly, they learn to align their strategy, their development strategy, to the each unique 4 team members. By learning to adjust their strategy, they're going to see their coaching ROI go up, desire go up, and then ultimately results are going to go up. And then lastly, they're going to learn how to remove the barriers to change. Most managers struggle to motivate independents and detractors because the traditional approach to influence does not address the emotionally unreceptive learner. They're going to learn a new way to influence. So if any of these elements of the program interest you, and you're seeing that your coaches are struggling to coach, or they're not seeing the results of their coaching, talk to us about quad coaching. We'd love to answer your questions, or maybe even we can conduct a pilot for you.